Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Pluto TV channel guide not working, refresh, clear cache and update app. To fix a Pluto TV channel guide when it is not loading or freezes, immediately force close the app or restart your streaming device. These steps refreshes the app's connection to the servers and clear frozen background processes. Then follow these step-by-step methods to resolve the issue. Fix 1. Force stop the app. On your Android TV or Google TV, navigate to Settings. Inside Settings menu, tap on Apps and find Pluto TV. Then select Force Stop. On Fire TV, go to Settings, in it go to Applications, then tap on Manage Installed Applications. From there, find and select Pluto TV and choose Force Stop. Fix 2. Restart your device. Unplug your smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick or streaming box from the power outlet. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in. Then turn it on and reopen the Pluto TV app. Fix 3. Clear the app cache. First go to your device's settings menu. From there, locate the applications or app manager. In it, find Pluto TV and select Clear Cache. Note, if the issue persists, you can also try Clear Data, but you will need to log back in afterwards. Fix 4. Reinstall the app. Uninstall Pluto TV from your device, then restart your device. Now download the most recent version from your device's app store to ensure you have the latest bug fixes. Fix 5. Check your internet connection. First, run a speed test to ensure your connection is faster than 5 Mbps. And if you are using a Wi-Fi, try restarting your home router or connect via an Ethernet cable to rule out network instability. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.